This is such a mess over here, and I use these giant wires to, run from here up to there. And I was sitting here putting this stuff away, and it just occurred to me that I have all this raw foam cord here, and I had a few seconds ago, here we go, I've got a whole bunch of modular plugs that I have no foreseeable use for. Why not make some custom cords that'll go over to here and make this a lot less messy? So here's what we're going to do. I need a cord that will patch this here over to here. So we need about, let's see what would be a good length. We need about this much. Okay, so grab two of these out of here, and we got to make sure I put them on the same way, otherwise they're not going to be very useful. Oh, there. Yeah, I do know how to do this. Just temporarily escaped my mind for some reason. This has got to be stripped first. Okay, and now what I can do is I can take this whole mess out of here. Omit that completely. This should not, why is this still working? Am I missing something here? Oh, that's the feed to upstairs, so if I go on here, that's not going to work. So if I patch this back up here, if I can plug the doggone thing in, okay, there we go. So that's, I guess that is the best way to do it, is it? No, there we go. That's how I want it to be. I gotta get the range extender going on these Synjay phones, because ones down here get kind of hairy reception. Anyways, alright, so let's do, that's good. So now let's get rid of this one. So here's my thing of wire. And I want it to go from here down to about here. So I'll cut it here. Yes, I am putting my finger into a sharp cutting area of a tool. That's probably not the best idea. Oh, is that a Actually, I have some Ethernet cables that need to get fixed. I think I will fix that, although I gotta get a crimping tool. Quite frankly, I could just... We're gonna get that video. I have fixed Ethernet cables without the tool. That's actually a tool I probably should buy, because I have enough foreseeable use for that. Okay. Let's put the Ethernet cable in there. Oh, jeez. Okay. So now we can go back over here. Pull this big wad of wire out of here. Disconnect it from down here. Yeah, if we just did something about this, actually we can't, excuse me, we can feed this down under this, feed it up through here, and we connect that a lot more inconspicuously, like that. Why is it not working? Did I mess something up here? Nope, I didn't mess it up. Maybe I didn't crimp it enough. Okay, now it's working. Okay. Well, there we have it. That looks a ton better. And we got rid of, from that setup anyways, we were able to omit 3 excessively long cords.